Bum bum on my sofa. Where's Alyssa's butt? Sit on it. Alyssa, where's your tush tush?
Alyssa, sit on your bum.
Sit on your bums. Good girl! Woo-hoo-hoo! Nice job!
Bum.
Bum, yeah, yep, you're on your bum. Good job.
Butt. Good job.
See, now if you did that while we were changing your diapers after we pull up your pants, you'd be helpful.
You
But
would.
no, you'd rather do it now and act like you're on some kind of Olympic gymnast team. No touches. I know it's missing the piece, huh? We took it down so we could put it back together the right way. Yeah, I know. Good luck, huh? Oh, precious.
What is...